Good morning. The idea behind our project is that it enables users to volunteer and help nearby users in need of any emergency assistance or aid. Through our site, users can send SOS requests to other users in the specified radius. Once SOS request is sent, the nearby users receive the request and they have the choice to either accept the request or reject it depending on their personal situation. After accepting the request, the receiver can promptly provide assistance to the victim in appropriate time. To use the various features of website, user must have an account on our website. So user can create his account by clicking on the sign up button and then filling the appropriate details like first name, his name, correct address, username and password, and then signing up. Since I have a few accounts already I've created, so I will directly log in from here. So if I log in, after signing up, user dashboard opens. Here you can see that a user can view his her trust score, which is used to incorporated to counter spam fake SOS requests, which can be created by a few users. Other than this, you can see the joining gate, the permanent address of user, the phone number, the email, and the medical SOS count as well as the crime SOS count. The medical SOS count and crime SOS count will show the active SOS count that are currently in the user have generated. Through the sidebar, the user can traverse between different pages. The pages are user settings. You can see the user can change his settings, name, and select a profile photo. He can go through his activity log. He can accept SOS request. He can reset password, and he can log out. So if on the dashboard, you can see that user can generate two types of SOS request: medical SOS request and crime SOS request. When user clicks on a medical SOS request, a confirmation message will pop up. On this confirmation page, user will be able to see his or current location according to his GPS. The message that will be going to send to other receivers that are nearby places in the 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer radius. User can either edit this message by typing on inside the box, or he can select these check boxes which can append predefined strings to this message. So you can see if I do this, you can see the strings are appended like previous, and multiple people are injured. Trust score will face decrement if a fake SOS generated. Let's say if a user is an unknown location, he don't know the street address where he is, so he can directly pan to the current location, and he can see his surroundings if he is in any unknown location. So after checking all this, he can send the request. Once the request is sent, he can go through the activity log and can check whether his SOS is generated correctly or not. So you can see here this SOS generated at 8:50 p.m., 8:50 a.m. And here the timeline you can see medical help is needed. The message which is sent to other users that are present nearby, the time at which the request is generated, and the closing time, since the request is still active. So that's why there's no closing time. So now quickly I will show you how to accept this request. So I will log in from another user. So now this is another user. So now I will go and accept this SOS request. So you can see here the SOS request which is generated by some another user whose name is Abhinav Tripathi, and the SOS request type is medical. So you can see here time. I can accept this request. Once only after accepting this request, I will be able to see the location of the user, the requester, and its phone number and other contact details. So if I do this, there will be a confirmation message. I will answer this request, and you can see here I have accepted the request, and I can see location of the requester and contact number of requester. You can see there's a tag, as well as now after some time I can review and close this request. So if I do review, and you can see there are some questionnaires. Was the request authentic? The situation of the, so I can answer this yes or no. This will result in the increment or decrement. This review will result in the increment or decrement of the trust score of user who is answering this call, as well as the requester. So if I do this, you will be going to see increment of trust score in the trust score of this who is a receiver. So now if I do this, you can see close. It comes under close. It will come under close request. Or the tag is closed. It means that the this request is closed by the receiver's end. It is not closed on the server, but it is closed by the receiver. So if I go on the, you can see trust score is increased by 10. It means that the receiver has answered to the call of the victim or the who requested. Similarly, one can do crime SOS request. The process is same. Here also he can click and send request, and from other side one can accept the request and help the requester. This is our project. Thank you.